Hello children, what did we learn in the previous classes? From the topic measurement, we've learnt about length. How do we measure lengths using a scale or a ruler? And also we have learnt how do we measure the lengths of long distances and short distances. We've learned how to convert meters into centimeters and also how to convert kilometers into meters. All these came under the topic of measuring the length. What was it? Measuring the length. In today's class, we are going to learn about how do we measure the mass. Mass is nothing but the weight of the given objects. What is mass here? Mass is nothing but the weight. Gram is the standard unit of mass in the metric system. Do you remember the metric system, children? It was the standard system which was introduced by the French people. Yes, children. Yes, so in this metric system, the standard unit that we use for measuring mass of the given objects is grams. It is nothing but grams, and it is written as G. For meters, we've used the letter M to represent meters. In the same way, for grams, it is written as G. Now again, in the meters we had kilometers and centimeters. Kilometers was for larger distances. In the same way, for grams we have kilogram. Kilogram is a bigger unit of mass and it is written as kg. See children, we have kilometers and then meters. In the same way, we have kilograms and grams. Kilograms is represented by the letters kg and grams is represented by the letter g. Here kilometers is bigger than meters. In the same way, kilograms are bigger than our grams. Different types of measuring instruments or machines are used to weigh different objects. Weigh means to find out the weight. To find out the weight of different objects, what do? We use different types of measuring instruments or machines. Now to find out the length of given objects, we used either a scale or ruler, or else we have learned that a measuring tape is also used to measure the length or distance. In the same way, to weigh a given object, that is to find out the mass or weight, we have different instruments like this. You might have seen this if you go to a vegetable market, children, or to a grocery store, that is a kirana store. Yes, there we have this kind of, mostly these are used in vegetable markets, these type of balances. This is called as balance. Simple balance. This is called as pan balance. Yes, in one we put the weight and in the other pan or in the other plate we put the vegetables or the objects that we want to weight. Yes children, when this weight is equal to the weight of the vegetables or the objects, then this will be balanced. It will be in a straight line. Okay, understood. What do we do in the balance? We put weight in one plate. Suppose if I want to buy 500 grams of apples. Yes, then in this pan I will put up 500 grams. We will have stones. Yes children, if you ever went to a vegetable market, you can observe that they will have some stones like this with the markings of 500 grams, 1 kg, 2 kg, 250 grams. So depending on that, now I want 500 grams. So I'll place 500 grams in this plate, and in the other plate, what do I want? I want apples. So they'll place apples here. When both these plates are in a straight line like this, when they both are balanced, then it means that my weight of apples here is equal to 500 grams. Is equal to 500 grams. Understood children? So this is called as a simple balance, and it is called, this one is called as a pan balance. This is called as pan, balance. These are the names of the measuring instruments. Just like we have scale and measuring tape for measuring length, we have simple balance and pan balance. But these two balances can weigh objects only from 1 gram to 10 kilograms. If I have an object which weighs more than 10 kilograms, suppose if it weighs 15 kilograms, okay, I cannot use these two balances to weigh because their capacity, that means they can weigh up to only 10 kgs. If the weight of the object is more than 10 kgs, then we cannot weigh the object using our simple balance and our pan balance.